Alright guys, this is the last section. This is the independent practice outline. So you're going to use those two documents that we just read, the Declaration of Independence for the Democratic Republic of Vietnam and the very long one about the Bandung Conference. And you're answering the question, why would formerly colonized nations want to resist the control of European nations? So right now you're only filling out this form, so you're thinking of two reasons why a formerly colonized nation would want to resist European oppression, right? And you're filling that in here, so formerly colonized nations would want to resist or fight back because, reason number one, and then reason number two over here. For reason number one, you're finding supporting evidence for this, so you can just go back and copy and paste directly from the document. And you have to have at least one piece of evidence from both documents. So if you're going to use document 1 here, you have to use document 2 here and vice versa. So for this, we put in here like from document 1. This would be document 2. That's fine for the outline, but know that when you're actually writing it on Friday, you are not going to use that. You can even see here in our common mistakes section, we say, remember, we never cite a document by the number we identify it as. This is strictly for planning what evidence you're going to use for your SCR this week. So it's like okay to talk about it, document 1, document 2 in this outline, but not okay to use that in your final product. And again, just copy and paste it directly into this. Once you're done, surprise, surprise, there is no Edulastic Mastery check for this week. So you are done when you have finished filling out this outline. The key takeaways from this lesson is that there is a very clear cycle of oppression and resistance in both Africa and Asia, really anywhere that Europeans had colonies. It's super clear to see that system and cycle of oppression. We started this year thinking about the beginning of the cycle with oppression of colonization through the imperialism and scramble for Africa. We're ending it with the decolonization of Africa and Asia through violent and nonviolent means. And then finally, World War II brings us to the end of the cycle of resistance movements and formerly colonized nations beginning to gain their independence. There are some nations that this will take 30 plus years and some that gained it shortly after World War II. But for the most part, nations are out from under the European system of control. Great, guys. Once you're done, make sure that you have turned this in. Click that turn in button, otherwise you don't get credit. See you in Module 2.